Welcome to day 28 of our 100 Days Python Coding Challenge. In today's tutorial, we'll be tackling a programming problem where we're given an integer p as input. Our task is to read p integers and print a list containing the first two and last two inputs. Input. The first line of input is an integer p. The next p lines each contains an integer output. The output should be a list with first two and last two inputs. Sample input and output are also be given for your reference. This problem presents an opportunity to practice input handling and list manipulation in Python essential skills for any aspiring coder. By mastering these concepts, you'll be well equipped to tackle a wide range of coding challenges and real-world projects. If you found this tutorial beneficial, kindly consider endorsing it by liking, subscribing, and enabling notifications for forthcoming coding challenges, tutorials, and programming insights. Participate in our esteemed coding community. Enjoy the process always.